So I'm currently hanging this big boy on this plasterboard wall, and I've drilled 2 holes here, and there is, you won't be able to see it, but there is a bit of, oh you can, that bit of wood there, which is here, on this mark here. So I followed that up, and that is this mark here. So I'm just going to use this endoscope that I got off Amazon. We're going to plug it in and I'll record the footage of what we're doing. So this footage is going to be very unstable and a bit distorting. But what we're going to do is we're going to stick it through this top right hand hole. I'm just showing you that it is plugged in on my phone. And this is the footage here. We're going to stick it in this hole, try and find that bit of wood that I believe is on the left hand side. So I'm just putting a little bend in it. We're going through the hole and it's just poking to the left, and would you believe it, there's a bunch of cables that I didn't even know were there, and there is that piece of wood I am looking for. So this endoscope I think was about £12, and it has actually saved me so much money already just by poking its hole and seeing a bank of 3 cables, one being a cooker cable by the looks of the size of it. The quality of it is brilliant. It comes with a light. It just plugs in your phone and it downloads an app. It's honestly saved me so much money already on this one job by not hitting a cable. And if that's not a reason why not to get this, apart from the quality is good, then I don't know what is. We're just going in that big one and just showing you that bit of wood from the other side. But I hope this video helps someone. I'll leave a link in the description of where to buy it. I think it's worth having. And as you can see, the footage is good. And it just plugs into your phone.